Hi, and welcome to CIT 336, Web Backend Development. My name is Daniel Stevenson. I'll be your instructor this semester for this course. I wanted to put together a screencast just to give you a little background about me and talk just briefly about what you'll be learning this semester. So about me, I grew up in Western Maryland, so I am not a native of the West Coast, although I have lived here a long time and love it. When I was 19, I left and I served a mission for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints in Riverside, California. And after returning home, met my wife back in Maryland. She grew up just outside of Washington, D.C. Fortunately for me, she was also a student at Ricks College, so we both went back for the fall semester and continued to date, and we got married at the end of that year in December of 1998. So we've been married for almost 20 years, and from that marriage we have 4 children, 2 girls and 2 boys from the ages of 17 down to the age of 9. I continued my education after graduating from Ricks and got my undergraduate degree in information technology, and have worked in that industry for almost 20 years and am currently the CTO of a small company. What that means basically is I have my hand in every aspect of technology. I get to do lots of software development, lots of network administration, lots of database administration, lots of front-end work. It's actually something that I love. Currently, I'm a counselor in the Young Men's Organization. The great thing about that is I get to work with my 2 boys who are currently in that organization. I also love health and fitness. I went to Ricks College on a baseball scholarship. I own our local CrossFit gym, and I still love to play basketball and softball in our local rec league. So, what are we going to learn this semester through this course? Well, first thing we're going to talk about is the technology stack. Specifically, we're going to be working with a LAMP technology stack, a Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP technology stack, something that's easy to work with, easy to install locally on a machine that you have, but also easy to set up in some type of cloud infrastructure. You're also going to learn how to connect that front end that you've created to your back end. Basically, you'll be able to create a full-fledged front-to-back web application. You're also going to learn about something called distributed web applications, where we can separate the areas of concern, which is a huge thing right now in the industry. Also going to talk about securing our applications, preventing things like cross-site scripting, SQL injection. But most importantly, we're going to talk about solving problems. Learning how to solve problems in any industry is probably going to be your biggest asset, your biggest skill. As I've worked in industry for the last almost 20 years, 2 of the greatest attributes I've seen in a coworker or an employee are competency and work ethic. Competency deals with your education, deals with being able to complete the task that is given to you. Sometimes that competency comes through a 4-year degree or a master's degree or a PhD. Sometimes it comes through simply going to a boot camp and learning those specific skills, or going somewhere to get those specific skills. And then once you have those skills, once you're competent at your trade, showing up to work when you're asked to be there, showing up to work every day, putting in that time. Those are going to be your 2 foundational skills or foundational aspects of your character that are going to ring through to most companies that you work for. I'm super excited to be with you on this journey and look forward to working with you. If you have questions or concerns, you are always welcome to reach out to me, and I will do the best I can to help you out.